What's up, everyone? This is Bill. Just got a quick little video for you guys today. We're taking the Ryker over to Motorsport Hillsboro. My buddy Nick is a salesman over there. I know a few of the guys there. And we're going to go say hi to him. Nobody over there has seen the Ryker, and we just bought it last summer. So all this has been done to it, in pretty much less than 6 months. But today what we're doing is getting the new lug nuts, because these are on recall and they finally got them in stock. So get a good close look. This is what they look like. These are the ones that are recalled. We're going to see if there's any noticeable differences, and I'm going to try to show you guys. Okay, so throw the helmet on. We got to head out. Beautiful day here. It's about 70 degrees right now at 10 a.m. That's cool. Gonna be a good ride. It's about a 45-minute trip over there. Okay, so we're gonna go get those replaced. We'll hop back on the camera here when we get over to Motosport Hillsboro. Okay, let's hit the road.
Leave him. Leave
Go in here and I'm going to introduce you to a buddy of mine. He's the finance manager here at Motosport Hillsboro.
Hey, how we doing? Matt McKay, Motosport Hillsboro, 809 Northeast 28th Avenue, Hillsboro, Oregon 97124. Come check us out. I do all the loans. I can make anything happen.
You got a phone number?
503-648-4555. Hit us up.
Okay, so here we are at Motosport Hillsboro. Pretty cool little place. And they told me I could film in here. So I like this little Suzuki right here. Here's the ZX-10R. Cool Ninjas they got are badass. Cool Ninja 400. Look at this. It's ghosted in there. That was really cool. This is a 400. Here's what I wouldn't mind having right here. This little KTM 690. Little Supermoto. You see some of these bikes that they got up on the shelf here that are still like new. We got 750 Interceptor. Check that out. The GSXR 750. Look at this guy. For the old school bikes. And I used to have one of these with a little shifter like that. Really cool place to come visit. Motosport Hillsboro. Man, they got so much cool stuff to look at here. This whole two-stroke up here. Look, that thing is down. A little electric bike. The old RM 125. An old Suzuki up there. 1985. All original. One Seattle owner. Full floater suspension. Probably the best rear suspension. Look at that thing. Here's the bad boy right here. You guys might recognize, some of you might recognize that bike. 1999. Oh, Travis Pastrana. And I've talked to him about these bikes before. These are all running bikes. Like legit. Just hanging from the ceiling up there. This will do getting down. A lot to look at here. Man, if you need something, these guys got it. Upper portion of the store. So dude, it's all red. Come in here and lounge, hang out. Look at this drag bike up here. Jesus, look at that little guy. With the drag radial, the Eagle drag radial on it. This stretched out chopper. They got some cool machines here. I don't even know what that thing is. This little Honda. They cool or what? It's like the size of a Grom. Look at that chopper. Man. Okay, so here we are at Motosport Hillsboro, and this is the new lug that's going on. So there really isn't a lot of difference that you can see. We will have to see if the socket still fits. It does have, there it is. So it has this little nub right here. The old ones would not have that. So that'll be the telltale sign that you have the new lug nuts on your Ryker. You can see how it's got this one little round spot right here. That would be the difference between them. There is the part number That would be for the new ones. Okay, so if you were going to order them, that would be the part number. Anyway, so we're going to take them back there and let them put them on the bike. Okay, so they're all done with the Ryker, and here is the old lugs. And you can see they don't have that little round hump that you would see on the newer lugs. So these would be the recalled ones. And they're already on the bike, so we're not going to be able to show a real side-by-side, but I will post a couple photos of the new ones versus these ones, so you guys can see what they look like. Okay, so if you don't have that little round hub, contact your dealership and tell them that your lug nuts are on a recall. Back home. A good little ride out there. Had fun hanging out with my buddies over there at Motosport Hillsboro. Those guys really enjoyed the Ryker. They found it very hard to believe that they had just sold this to me last summer. And literally, we've had it, I believe we got it right at the beginning of August. So we haven't even had it a year, and all this is done to it. So those guys were over there. They each took turns riding it a little bit, having a blast. Okay, so we got our new little hub here. See if I can get that guy. Yeah, there he goes. And here's our Racing Power Sports socket. Still fits without any issues. Okay, so you're not gonna have to change sockets or anything if you have the socket. Remember, it's just gonna have that one kind of sawed off little nub. You can see it right there. So you can see how big these all are, and then this one little one is just cut shorter and rounded off. That's how you'll know that you have the second set of lug nuts that they make. This is if you have the old ones, it won't have that little nub. All the points will look identical, and that is a tall tale sign that your bike has the recall for the lugs. Okay, and they get torqued down to 221 foot-pounds on all three wheels. Okay, obviously if you follow me on YouTube, then it's not the first time we've had the bike apart, so I'm sure they probably realized that when we pulled in there. Anyway, so there you go. Hope that helps some people out. Go check those guys out if you live in the Portland, Vancouver, metropolitan area. They help people even that live up in Seattle, Tacoma area. Okay, so go check them out, Motosport Hillsboro. I'll leave a link to their website in the description below this video. Anyways, thanks for watching. You guys have a good day. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Oh,